I'm about to show you something on Bitcoin that will blow your mind. And I guarantee you haven't seen it before. Welcome to Empire Trading Academy, guys. Hit the like, hit the subscribe if you have not already. Let's get right into this. So stay until the end. I'm about to show you an absolutely mind-blowing fractal that's happening on the Bitcoin price structure right now that we've seen before. All right, guys, as you know, we broke out above our general or more macro supply level up here at 46,000. Okay, we broke above that, and now we're just consolidating right around 47,000 in the middle of our next macro range. Okay, which the floor has been set at 46,000, and we're looking at the $52,000 supply level that is above. Okay. So what we're looking for is either a retest, a break of this current structure here, retest here, or we're going to move up at up to 52. Okay. Now, those are our basic levels. Okay. Let's zoom in really quickly. Okay. Zoom into the 5-minute. Just something that we're watching right now on this current structure on a low time frame is this top that we're putting in. Okay. This is generally a distribution top. Okay, this is a more complex reversal pattern. You've seen it many times before. We've shown it many, many times that it's occurred on Bitcoin, especially this cycle. Okay, and so this is again, a more complex reversal pattern, usually before we see more upside or downside, excuse me. So could that be invalidated? Absolutely. Okay, we would go on and we would make higher highs, but generally this pattern is a sign of distributing and a sign of weakness. Okay, if we look at a minute, we also okay, all of these are all new highs, right? Higher highs, followed by weakening in price structure. But all of these higher highs are weakening. Okay, so we have this negative divergence on the side, a weakening indication as this price is going. Then that follows with weakening price structure here along the duration of this range. Usually this is met mark down for the side, most likely retest. Okay, that's the immediate current price structure of Bitcoin by level. Okay, now I want you to notice exactly what we have been watching, guys. This was the current Bitcoin price structure that we had been watching, right? And we just broke above. Okay. Now, go to the 4-hour. Everybody was watching this. We had been looking at it as a bearish pattern, okay? Some people are looking at this as an accumulation pattern as we see more upside, okay? We fully disagree with that. Now, we have this squeeze above resistance. Okay, so we break above resistance, and now we're trading just above resistance. Okay, I'm going to draw 2 trend lines. Okay, we'll break those out. Okay, technically we're still in this. Okay, testing resistance right now. This is our general with a squeeze below right here, which you're about to be, line's about to be blown when you see a similar thing here. Okay, but we squeeze below here, and this is a general trend of higher lows, right? And we have this here testing resistance. Now, remember in the summer, what did we have during the summer? Okay, in the summer we had that big accumulation phase. Everybody was screaming for 20,000, 16,000, right? And we were one of the only ones that were saying, no, we're still in this bull run, or at least we are seeing upside from here. That was during this accumulation phase during the summer of 2000. Okay. Now, I want you to see, we're about to flip this in a second so you can see even more clearly, but we believe that we are trading an inverse of this pattern. Okay. What we're going to do, try to not get confused. Some people get confused once we flip this, but look at this as a reversal. Okay. And so we came here and then we reversed to the upside. Now we're going to flip this. We're going to invert this, and I want you to see what this pattern is. Okay. Higher lows with a squeeze below here. Again, a general set of higher highs there. Okay. Now, on our last move before our reversal, we got this structure here testing resistance once again. Not only did we test resistance of these higher highs, okay? If we look at really the support level here, look at the support level here. Support level, it looks resistance right now, but remember we just flipped this. This was our general support level, right? This was our floor. A squeeze below, or in this case, as we flipped it, a squeeze below, above, right? This resistance before we had a reversal. And then if we go ahead and we zoom in a little further, back a little, we zoom in a little further, type of structure that we're putting in, although not identical, but a low time frame distribution top, followed by this big move down. We do not believe that this is a coincidence, guys. We don't believe that these cycles are changing. We do believe that we're still in this bear market. This is just a relief rally. Flip this back. Okay, we saw that reversal. You can go back. I just moved that. Try to ignore that. But again, guys, we're going to trade each and every level, right? But this is what we're looking for. And just, you can rewind, whatever you have to do. Series of higher highs, right? Series of higher highs, higher lows, even that squeeze below here. And then we get this top above our general trend line. Squeeze above at resistance, distribution top. A lot of things are lining up for a reversal to continue this down in a bearish continuation pattern or a relief rally in a greater downtrend. Seen this many times before in Bitcoin. We had this here. We get these relief rallies all the time, right? Before we continue downwards. All right, guys. So we'll see if that plays out. Okay. As far as trading is concerned, you're going to play each and every level. Okay. If you're a short-term trader, play each macro level, long or short, depending on what levels we flip. But this is our idea. This is our thesis right now, guys. Please let us know if you have any questions. Check out the website. We have a ton of tools to improve your trading, get you to your goals. Hit the like if you would, hit the subscribe if you have not already, and we'll see you in the next video.